Hey everyone, a low-cost smartphone with a fashionable appearance influenced by flagship models is the Fossibot S2. The gadget strikes a compromise between price and functionality designed for daily use, catering to customers with moderate demands. It is a sensible option for people looking for a dependable entry-level gadget because of its sleek design, small size, and lightweight construction. The Fossibot S2 weighs a reasonable 195 grams and has dimensions of 166 by 76 by 8.6 millimeters. The camera lens is housed in a square island on the back panel, which has softly rounded edges. Standard button and port placements include a USB Type-C connector, speaker and microphone on the bottom, a SIM card and micro SD slot on the left, and a power button with an embedded fingerprint reader on the right. Although some people may find the absence of a headphone port annoying, wireless audio alternatives and adapters make up for this shortcoming. The gadget has a sizable 6.72-inch Full HD Plus screen with a pixel density of 391 ppi and a resolution that guarantees sharpness and clarity thanks to TFT in-cell technology. Its 90% screen-to-body ratio gives it an almost borderless appearance, and its 420 to 500 nit brightness levels allow it to be used indoors. However, it could be difficult to see outside in direct sunshine. The Helio G85 CPU, a well-known option for mid-range devices, powers the Fossibot S2. Performance and energy efficiency are balanced by its octa-core design. The gadget efficiently manages light gaming and multimedia playback when paired with a Mali G52MC2 GPU. The smartphone is a great choice for people with high storage needs because it has 256 gigs of internal storage that can be expanded up to 1 terabyte via microSD and 8 gigs of RAM that can be virtually expanded to 20 gigs. Fossibot S2 has a 50 megapixels primary camera and an extra sensor for depth effects, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. Although low-light performance is lacking, daytime images are respectable in terms of detail and color accuracy. The 16 megapixels front camera does well in bright daylight, but has trouble in less lit areas. Although both cameras can record video, the quality of the footage varies greatly from day to night. Another advantage of the Fossibot S2 is its long battery life. A full day of moderate use is supported by its 4,900 mAh battery, which can be charged quickly at 18 watt via the USB Type-C connector. Its durability and NFC support for contactless payments make it more appealing for daily activities, including social media, streaming videos, and online shopping. Despite not having stereo speakers, the Fossibot S2's single speaker produces crystal clear sound that is adequate for media playback and calls. For consumers looking for a simple yet fashionable gadget for everyday chores, this smartphone is an appealing option. It is a sensible choice in price range because of its large display, lots of storage, and good battery life. As a trustworthy entry-level smartphone, S2 is perfect for consumers with modest needs or as teens' first gadget. It serves consumers seeking value without sacrificing necessary functionality because of its strong feature set and affordable price. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and God bless you.